What up fam, welcome back to the FitMenCook kitchen. Now I've been meal prepping for about 15 years and during that time I built an app and spices all for meal preppers. So your boy spent a lot of time in the kitchen so I know what actually works and what doesn't. Go ahead and smash the like button and hit save. You're gonna wanna come back to this video. Here are 21 meal prep hacks that'll save you time, they're gonna stretch your budget, they're gonna reduce that food waste and make your meals taste even better. Let's get after it. You need shredded chicken fast? While the chicken breast is still warm, push it through a cooling rack. You'll get perfectly shredded chicken in seconds. Press hard-boiled eggs through a cooling rack for perfectly diced egg salad every time. Use a mandolin to create uniform potato sheets, then stack and slice for perfectly even fries or cubes that cook at the same rate. Block cheese is cheaper than pre-shredded cheese. Buy extra when it's on sale, shred it all at once, then freeze it in meal-sized portions. You'll save money, reduce waste, and always have shredded cheese ready to go. Marinate your ground meat in bulk. Flatten it into zip-top bags and freeze. It stores efficiently and thaws much faster through the week. Don't let it sit in the fridge. As soon as you get home, break down a rotisserie chicken, and in minutes you'll have protein for meals all week and a carcass for homemade broth. Make one batch of your favorite dressing and use it 3 ways: as a marinade, a finishing sauce, and a salad dressing. Freeze rice flat. Instead of freezing rice in containers, spread it flat in bags. It stacks better, thaws faster, and it breaks apart easily for portion control. Use an ice cream scoop to portion rice, quinoa, oats, or even mashed sweet potatoes. Every portion stays consistent. Need a pile of chopped herbs? Then stack them up and run a pizza cutter through them instead of rocking a knife back and forth. Freeze fresh ginger whole, then grate it directly from frozen whenever you need it. Faster, it doesn't clump, and there's no peeling, so there's no waste. Y'all, don't throw away leftover herbs. Freeze them in olive oil and drop a cube into soups, sauces, or sauteed vegetables later on. Freeze cooked oatmeal in silicone molds and add a cube or 2 to smoothies for extra creaminess, fiber, texture, and many people find cooked oats easier to digest. Pre-portion smoothie ingredients into freezer bags, and in the morning, just dump and blend. Protein pancakes can be a hit or miss. Instead, pour the batter into a muffin tin for built-in portion control. You can customize each cup with different mix-ins for breakfast all week. The secret to meal prep salads is layering. Dressing goes on the bottom, greens stay on top, and everything stays fresh longer. No vacuum sealer? Lower a zip-top bag into the water to push the air out. There is less freezer burn, much better storage, and longer freshness. Use a cookie or ice cream scoop to portion so every bite is the same size. Then roll each one in a light dusting of protein powder to keep them from sticking together in the fridge or freezer. Batch caramelized onions. Caramelize 4 or 5 onions at once and use them all week to instantly upgrade eggs, sandwiches, soups, bowls, and of course, burgers. Don't toss the leftover veggies and skip the frittata. Blend leftover roasted vegetables with broth, tomato paste, and seasonings to create a flavorful sauce for chicken, grain bowls, wraps, or even pasta. Take leftover roasted vegetables, add broth and coconut milk or heavy cream, then blend it into a creamy bisque-style soup that's perfect for lunch or dinner. That's it for today's video, fam. I hope that you really enjoyed it. Hit that like and subscribe button if you found the content helpful, and you can get meal prep ideas every week. And now it's your turn to give a little. I want to know which hack surprised you most, which ones are you already doing, and which one did I forget? Drop it in the comments below and I might feature it in a future video. All right, y'all. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.